So how do you annotate with the Apple Pencil on your Keynote and do screen recording? So let me just show you how it works. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the tutorials like this one. But of course, the first step would be to go to the Control Center and check out the screen recording toggle. If you do not have it there, click on the plus button and add a control from the bottom. It will make this like window open up. So from this, just look up the screen recording and make sure you add it to your control center. Okay, so once you have that, we can of course just open up the Keynote presentation as usual, right? So you can just select it from the beginning, tap on the play button at the top so the presentation is full screen. We then go to the control center and start the screen recording, right? So you just wait for the countdown, make sure it actually begins, and the screen is just being captured. And right now, if you have the Apple Pencil, you can touch the screen with it, and it will be like drawn as the, like a scribble, or you'll be able to annotate on it to emphasize your point or to explain something, right? So it is only going to be there, like the ink is only going to be shown for the presentation process. So it's not like it's going to stay or be part of the presentation permanently, but it will only be there during the presenting process. Once you are done with the recording, make sure to stop it by clicking on the button at the top. Click on stop and the video will be then saved in your gallery, right? So you can do whatever you want with it. You can share it or, as I say, save it however you like. So that would be about it from me. I honestly hope that I could help you with it. Let me know in the comments below if I did. Thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Thanks a lot and I'll talk to you later.